Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever and wherever you are. My name is Anna Rochelle, and we are working on Course 1, Chapter 7, Day 2. We're working on writing expressions. And as you have guessed it, as usual, we have this big green box, and that means we're going to talk a little bit about vocabulary. Now, in your notes for today, I do have a section that's designed for you to write down some words that you think mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We also have a space for exponents and parentheses. So one thing that I would like for you to do is actually pause this video, take a minute, think about what words could possibly mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, parentheses, and exponents. So that way you're not like just copying things down. You're actually using your brain a little bit today. All right. So go ahead, pause the video, and then come back when you're ready. This may take you a little bit of time. You can actually search the web if you would like to as well. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, so at this point, we should have had some problems or some words listed. Here are some that I've come up with, and this is by no means a full list. Meaning if you came up with another word, that probably means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, parentheses, or exponents, then absolutely go ahead and use it. Now, when I did my search, just to make sure that I had a little bit more than just what I knew, I knew a lot, so I didn't really come up with very many, but I did see for some of the addition and multiplication words, I did notice that some of them came up with total, right? So like, what's the total? Or what's the combined total, right? So that doesn't always mean, right? Total I have in here and combined I have in here. That doesn't necessarily mean that addition can only mean total. You know, we can have a total sum, we can also have a total product, right? So some of the words can show up in multiple places. But then I did see like more than in subtraction, and that doesn't quite feel like more than is correct. Although now that I'm talking about this, I actually do think that more than, something more than something else, like 8 more than 3, is still addition, JK. Anyway, so there are other words that you can use, but so just know that this is not an all-encompassing list. So when are these things important and how do we use them? Let's actually go ahead and let's take a look. Now, if you need to copy some of these words down, definitely pause me. I can stop talking at any time. And then come back to me when you're ready. So these words actually show up in here in phrases like this, right? And of course, I'm already seeing a mistake. Increased. Oh boy. Okay. So when we see phrases like this, we actually say, okay, P is increased by 9. So we can actually write P plus 9. And that's just what that would mean, right? So for example, when we see thrice a number, we know that thrice is actually 3 times, right? So once, twice, thrice. Thrice a number W, that means that I'm going to multiply. Since there is no actual operation involved, we're just going to write 3 and then W. So since there's no operation in the word, right, you're going to have to assume, you're going to infer that it just means that that thrice means that you're multiplying it by 3, by that 3 and that W. Okay, 4 less than K is going to be K minus 4, okay? And the reason why we're going to invert it is because when we say 4 is less than K, that means we're taking 4 away from K, okay? Then we have the quotient of 32 and X. Quotient will always mean division, right? Quotient is the answer to a division problem. Uh-oh, where's my mouse? Oh, there we go. So when we have division, we're always going to put in whatever division sign, and the first term will go first and the second will go second. So I'm gonna have 32 divided by x. A number, it should be m divided by 36. So m divided by 36. And some of these are very like straightforward, and some of them you actually have to think a little bit about, okay? I'm gonna have you pause this video, take a minute, see what you can do on your own, and then I'll reveal the answers in a minute. You should have taken a moment, pause this video, and done 6 through 10 on your own. Your answers are in the space provided, and I will actually see you in the next video. Bye.